OD at this point, and A1 E1 at this point, and D1 E1 at this point. So I will name all the points like I do previously. On O1 A1, this is a point 1, OB this is a point 2, OC this is a point 3, and OD this is a point 4. Now there are two more points on AE and ED. So if we go clockwise, your A1 B1, B1 C1, C1 D1, D1 E1. So this is your point 5 and this is your point 6 on A1 E1. So this is your point 5 and this is your point 6. So your top view is completed. Now you have to mark all these points on the front view. So you can see your point 5 is on a E1 D1. So this is your E dash and D dash. So this point 5 will be somewhere here. Similarly, point 6 is on a A1 E1. This is your point A1 E1. So point 6 will be somewhere here. Similarly, point 4 is on a OD. So this is your OD. So your point 4 will be somewhere here. Okay. Your point 6 is somewhere here. Similarly, you can mark point 1, 2 and 3 on OA, OB and OC like this. Okay, and after marking the points, you can join all the points clockwise or anti-clockwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 to 1. Okay, so your top view and front view is completed. Now remaining after cutting the solid, remaining portion you have to draw with the help of HB pencil, right? So you can mark all the points which are remaining after the cutting with the help of HB pencil like this. So your front view and top view is completed. Now you have to make the true shape of the solid. So this is same. You have to mark a new reference line. Either you can take the section plane as a reference line, or you can draw a parallel line. It is drawn here. You can draw the parallel line to that line. Okay, and this is your now new reference line. Okay, and you have to draw the projectors from each and every point like this. And after drawing the projectors, you have to take the measurement of point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the front view. So this is your point 1 here. So you can measure the distance of point 1 from the xy line like this. Point 2, point 3 is on the xy line. Point 4 is on the xy line. Point 5 you can measure the distance. Point 6 you can measure the distance. After taking the measurements, you can mark all the points here. Okay, so this is your now true shape of the section. Okay.